Begins with B squared. Bowen Burke celebrating the big #1, and that is something to smile about. Happy birthday, Bowen in Girard.
Turning 3 years old, Summer Clark in Columbus. Happy birthday, Summer.
Roll these 1-3-5s because Adley Sharp, she is celebrating her 5th birthday. Marvelous looking dress right there, Miss Adley, and a happy birthday to you.
And up in Farlington, Ellie Mankin turning 8 years old this year. That's a cute picture. Happy birthday, Ellie.
Known the Sizzlin family a long time, and now Quinn is already 9 years old. Quinn, I want you to know, buddy, that these birthday wishes come with love from Mom, Dad, Evan, Aiden, Marley, Grandma, Grandpa Hanson, and Grandma and Grandpa Prettyman as well. So, Quinn, I want you to have a wonderful day. He is in Girard.
All right, well, Mom, Dad, and Ryder are throwing out the birthday love for the now 10-year-old Wyatt Hernandez.
What up, Jack?
Birthday.
I don't know if he's awake yet. Little front actor pride right there. Jacklusker celebrating his 17th birthday. They're not in school yet. They don't go back till tomorrow. Jack, if you are awake, a very happy birthday to you, my man. If not, Mom and Dad will let you know that we got your picture on, buddy.
That's right. One last morning to sleep in there. Thomas Porter turning 29 years old this year. Happy birthday to Thomas in Pittsburgh.
Pamela Marshall celebrating her 35th birthday. Pamela, I want you to have a marvelous day in Pittsburgh.
Also in Pittsburgh, Ben Jones turning 38 years old this year. Hope you have a great one, Ben.
Preston Whitley now hitting the big 4-0, and we're going to turn back the clock with a childhood picture right there. Preston, happy birthday in Thayer.
All right, happy birthday. I love that throwback pic there. Eric Bellm turning 42 years old this year. Hope it's a great one for you, Eric, in Oronogo.
42, a great year. As for Amberlloway as well. Happy birthday to Miss Amber in Parsons.
And our neighbor over in Crestline, Dan Duncan. Happy birthday, Dan, 71 years old.
Mr. Larry Simmons, he is celebrating his 80th birthday. What a wonderful picture right there. And a very happy birthday to Larry in Erie, with these birthday wishes coming with love from Bev, Judy, and Larry. Don't forget the entire family.
Right, and it's a 34th anniversary celebration for the Wells family in Joplin. Congratulations going out to Gary and Bonnie Wells.
Wesley McGowan celebrating a 59th birthday. Wesley's in Joplin, and want you to know this comes with happy birthday wishes from your wife. Miss Ann Wells is turning 93. Ann, a very happy birthday to you in Crestline. And Misty Sullivan, I want you to have a marvelous birthday in Columbus.
And let's see, Evan McNamara celebrating in Columbus as well, party in the bus. And in Baxter Springs, Debbie Butts, happy birthday to you.
Keep going with the bunces.
That's right, because if Debbie's celebrating, that means it's time for Larry and Debbie's 40th anniversary.
Well played, Larry.
There you go.
Well played. Good way to remember everything. Macie Gray, happy 21. You be careful during that birthday celebration there. Have a great day, Miss Macie in Columbus. Our good friend Lana Royster. Lana's celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday in Galena. And Phyllis Allman. Love the Allman family in Chanute. Phyllis, a marvelous birthday to you.
Up in Iola, turning 31 this year. It's time to celebrate for Joe Town. And the Renos are celebrating 17 years of wedded bliss. AJ and Ashley Reno in Humboldt, happy anniversary.
Hey, happy birthday and happy anniversary to all as we find ourselves here on this 3rd day of January. That's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website at KOAMNewsNow.com. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
Your chance to earn a birthday prize. You can be a part of the KOA Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up, and once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOA Birthday Club today.